In the first video, we created a folder and set up our spreadsheet. We could gather, or we could go ahead and start designing. Let's start with gather. Professional photographers will email you a link to download your school photos. This will come in a zipped file. Do a right-click on the image and extract all. This will take a moment. Inside this folder, you'll find another folder and tons of folders with images. Down at the bottom, you'll see a text or CSV file that will connect the images to names. Under Gather, select Upload and Import. Click to select and go to your Downloads folder. Click once, click Upload, and confirm the upload. This will take a while. Let's speed through it. This is where I traditionally say, get a coffee, get an ice cream. It's going to take about 5 minutes to upload your images. Now let's map those student names to those file images. We need an image name. Section is your grade level. Find those last names. First name. If you're in elementary school, you're going to want to have teacher names, and you can add the role name. It's optional. Process and import. The process has been completed. Click Got It. And do you see this button right here? Allow access.